And we start this month with a massive explosion for those stocks. A lot of people talk about inflation, about the stock market will crash, even though there is an opportunity to make for those stocks. It does jump exactly around our support and get rejected around the resistance. Let's get right to it and see where the price will jump again. So first off, we're gonna kick our video with RDBX. We talked about last time in 29th of April here on pre-market update for our Patreon, where we do pre-market update for a lot of stock. What we said, we're gonna see the price testing around the $8 or around the $9. Here we're gonna see a bit of rejection after we overcome the $5.12. This was around the 29th of April. If we go today, we have the interesting area, 1 hour candle. Right now we see we have a massive resistance area where we have 2 red candle forming. Right now we have a closing candle above the $9 and shooting up near the 11. So this is a really strong reaction for RDBX, and the volume, guess what, is 118. This is a crazy volume today because at the afternoon we have huge volume after trading halted twice. We have the price halted for RDBX twice in the morning, and even though the price is kept going up. So what we should expect right now, the support around the $9, above the $9. If we held it, we're gonna see the price this time above the $9. If we hold it, we're gonna see another jump for our stock until this box between the 15 and the 17. Then we're gonna see another rejection here. Next up we have LKCO. Hopefully you saw the last video that we talked about LKCO. Guess what, we talked about this ascending line. If we hold it, we're gonna see a test for the 0.62. If we go on YouTube, we did 20th of April. Hopefully you saw the video. We talked about when the price was around the 0.48, and we said if we hold above this ascending line, we're gonna see the price explode, and this time we're gonna see the price test and where get rejected around the resistance, the 0.62 precisely. We're gonna see a test and the price rejection. And guess what, today we have this test and got rejected perfectly around our level. We went until the 0.6144 and rejection 0.62, just by few cents. That's why the price went down, and why we said this level of resistance, of course, because we have the long picture or the big picture for LKCO. This ascending line, just a turning point for LKCO for a bullish trend until the $1. That's why we got rejected and the price went down. So what we should expect, we need to hold above our exponential average here and above the 0.52 to see accumulation phase. Then this time we explode above the 62 to see the 0.88. Next up we have, let me just go very quick for ATER, because I can see it in the volume is picking up as well for ATER, holding and forming ascending line as well. And we have interesting thing happening, which is double top around here around the $5.80, and right now this is confirmed resistant. And if we confirm holding this triangle that is forming for ATER, just be ready for massive explosion for ATER. By tomorrow we're gonna see the price around the $6.55 and maybe even the $7 to do double top around this area. If we just hold this ascending line, we'll confirm this momentum change. BBIG is still bombing 4% because what we talked about last time, the support, the $2.20 perfect bounce, and right now getting near our resistant area. This exponential average would be the third test around the $3. If we overcome it, is mean BBIG ready to squeeze around the $3.88 or 81. If we didn't, is mean the shorts will be like in control, is mean they are in control, and this time we're gonna go around the $1.59. Just be careful, this will be a turning point right now for BBIG. Netflix is holding perfectly above the 180. Still the 236 is the resistance. If we go to Nvidia, is still holding above our support, which is the 179. We need accumulation, the resistance around the 200 right now. The other one we have is FRGE, and this one jumping 34% today. We have a resistance around the 27. If we overcome it by tomorrow, we're gonna see the price go again around the 40. So the 27.39 will be the mark to a lot of volatility. Next one, we have 30% up for this stock. If you see the big picture for this one as well, we have a really interesting triangle. The first triangle was bearish. We broke it here around the 30th of December. The price went down. Right now we have another breakout from the triangle from below around the $3.93. Right now this will be the turning point, which is the $4.72. So be careful. Right now any price overcome the $4.72, we're gonna see the price get rejected first. If we don't get rejected, it will be a nice trade, because if we hold the 4-hour candle above the $4.70, we're gonna see the $6.37. Let me just go very quick for CTRM. It's still bumping because we're still holding this ascending line, and again the $2.30 will be the trigger for CTRM to explode again. impp is still around let me see, the 0.88. Of course it's going toward the 0.85. As we said, if we don't overcome this ascending line here, it means the short is in control. We need to overcome it by tomorrow and escape it, and this first signal will be overcome the $1.11 to confirm the explosion or the squeeze around the $1.44. Just be careful, the 0.85 should be our bottom for impp. Hopefully that was informative. If you have any question, let me know in comment section below, plus the like button and notification so you never miss any my alert. And here on YouTube, of course, never run after the price, let the price come to you. This is the hunter way. A lot of people say that the market is crashing, there's no squeeze. Let me be clear with you. What we do here on our channel, we hunt. What does mean hunting? We enter around the support, we sell around the resistance. We can make money even if the market going down, we buy around the support. As you can see for LKCO and the other stock, visiting a normal support where price value for LKCO, then the jump. You take a profit at 62 and you get out. That's how we do it. If the market crash, we make some money. So a lot of people say, okay, the market crash, and you say the stock will be squeezed. Of course will be squeezed. There's some stock will go up, of course, because there's news. There's something happening for the market every day. There's opportunity. So don't say you hear from the news the market will crash, inflation. Like everybody talk about this for years, and nobody knows when the market will crash for real. Right now we hunt. Have a technical with you. So if you don't have an exit strategy and you just buy blindly, of course you're gonna hear the news and you be terrified and you don't want to buy. However, there's opportunity. Get in, get out. This is the hunter way of the trading, so you don't have to close your eyes and you just focus on your prey and you trade, take a profit and get out. This is our name of the game, which is the hunter way of trading. Hopefully that was informative, and see you in the next update.